Hi, my name is Silvia. At one of our last SOFW events, Robbie showed you how to make a tasty, strong Italian coffee. But what can you do if your sugar level is so low that even a strong coffee would not bring back the needed energy you need for continuing working? And to make matters worse, there is no candy, no cookie in your or your colleague's desk drawer. What can you do? Well, why not prepare an emergency box for a delicious chocolate cupcake for such cases? You need 6 spoons of flour. I take these spoons, and because I can level it quite easy so that every item has the same amount of weight, more or less. Here I have 3 spoons of sugar. I also added 2 spoons of this chocolate powder. Then a quarter of a teaspoon, this is a smaller spoon, a quarter of a teaspoon this baking powder. And a pinch of salt. And now you mix it very thoroughly, very good. Okay. Then you need milk, but the milk we leave at home because we have it in the office, so I don't need it. But I need 6 spoons of sunflower, no, 3 spoons of sunflower oil, and I put it here in this container. Also close it very tightly. And for good flavor, you need this chocolate cream. Then the second spoon into this little glass container. Maybe we'll take a little more. Who knows? And this is the chocolate. I'm sure you eat it on your breakfast or your children. And once in a while, when nobody sees, maybe you even take a spoon out of it and take it later. But well, this is our secret. So these are the things we take into our box. Here. And this I take with me at my workplace and put it in my desk drawer. I'm really tired. I guess I need coffee. But I know something else. I make my cupcake. I got the cupcake emergency kit with me, and now I prepare my cupcake. You see, it brings energy right back because you're looking forward for this delicious thing. Now I put my container out, and my other ingredients. Now I add to this well-mixed flour, sugar, and all the other ingredients the oil, and 6 spoons of milk. You mix it very well. Maybe the next time I have to take a little bigger container, or you can put it also in a cup. This you also can do, and it might be easier to mix. And now for the special flavor, for the chocolate flavor we want, we add a spoon of chocolate cream. Everything is mixed very well, and now we put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes by 600 watt or standard program. And now in the meantime you have time to prepare the coffee or to do some exercises which we will show you with a different video. So keep on tuned, and we are of course also looking forward to your experience with this chocolate cupcake emergency kit. Okay, now let's see whether it worked out. Oh, I would say it looks good. Be careful, it might be hot. Ah, look at this. It looks very nice. Together with this strong, well-tasting Italian coffee, I get back my energy and finish my working day. Wow! I hope you enjoy it too, and please let us know if you tried it out and what success you got with it. We would like to get some feedback from you on our blogging. Okay, take care. You also can do, you can give this cake and coffee as a surprise for your work colleague. Let's see how she reacts.
So great! I needed energy!